Hey out there on YouTube, how we doing today? Well, once again, I know, huge shock, we've got a blade from CRKT. So stay tuned after I roll that intro. I'm going to show you what came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, I'm going to make this really easy for you. Look right down here, guys. You should see a channel watermark popping up. Hover over that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, as you saw by that title you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at the CRKT Pilar. And there it is. My little daughter chose the colors for the lanyard, so, you know, that's why we got some pinks and purples and blues and all that fun stuff. Now, what I like about this, and it took me a while to bring it to the channel, it's small, kind of lightweight, very compact, and it's a perfect everyday carry blade. Not a lot of money sunk into it, so if you do something stupid like leave it on a bus, accidentally break it, you're not going to be too pissed off at yourself. Alrighty, so let's get into the stats like we usually do. Now, this is a Jasper Voxnest design, and I hope I'm saying his name right. And what I really truly love is he took the name after Hemingway's beloved boat, the Pilar. Thought that was kind of cool. It's got an overall length of about 5.9 inches. Closed, it's about 3.5, and the blade is about 2.4. Now, like I said, a little bit lightweight. 4.2 ounces, so not too bad there. It does have, you know, that fine edge, flat grind, as you can see. It's got a, you know, satiny finish, which you guys know I kind of love that, and the stone washes are like seriously two of my favorite finishes on a blade. As you can see, it's got the sheep's foot design, and the steel is simply 8CR13 MOV. No biggie, right? Budget steel, budget blade, it makes sense. Now, they say the handle itself is just stainless steel with a bead blast finish. It's only right-hand carry, tip up or tip down with a reversible clip. Now, this is what got me. They're like, okay, thumb hole opener. Takes a little bit. But I'm betting this is just like a lot of Gerber blades that I've gotten in the beginning, where they're a real struggle to get open, and then they break in. So no big deal there. As you can see, we do have a frame lock, little lanyard hole, and yes, in case you guys were wondering, it is made in China. Now for the fun part. Alright, hold on. Of course. Well, oh, no. Okay, I didn't forget it. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I actually forgot our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap, but we'll see him in just a second. Alright, heavy-duty stock paper. Not bad. I mean, that's... Seriously, I've had this like 48 hours. Haven't really played with it that much, so that's right out of the... Alright, guys, sorry. Camera took a crap yet again, so... Paracord! And hopefully you can see right down there, depending where that other one stopped, it cuts pretty well right out of the box. So, simple pull test. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Sorry, that piece was really, really long, so let's just go for 2. Little slice test. No issues. Go for 4. I honestly don't know how it'll do. 4, no problem. And our friend, like we usually do, Mr. Ratchet Strap. No big deal. Went through it pretty easily. Okay, now as we usually do, you guys know I like to take a look at cost and ratings. Took a look on Amazon, CRKT, and BladeHQ. Now, on BladeHQ, it runs you $24.95 Plus, you can find some replacement scales in G10, micarta, and some other stuff out there. On CRKT, it's $39.99. And as of December 21st, 2018, when I'm filming this video, they're out of stock at CRKT. Over on Amazon, it's $20.45. Both on BladeHQ and Amazon, it's rated 4.5 out of 5 stars. BladeHQ, it's only got 31 reviews, and Amazon, 208. But you know what, guys? Here's the most important part of this video. This is where you get to tell me what you think. I want to hear your questions, comments, love, hatred, just everything, man, down below in the comment section. You guys know I'm going to get back with you. Now, I kind of like it. I'm planning on carrying it a lot, and I'm even planning on centering a Maxpedition, like little fat boy, everyday carry kit around it to see what I can get in there, and you know, something you can throw in a bag and have your tools. All right. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, man, thanks so much for watching. It really means the world to me that you chose one of my videos, and I'm very thankful for it because I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube. For you longtime viewers who have yet to subscribe, here is your second chance at redemption. Right down there. You're going to see a big old channel logo popping up. Man, just click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on subscribe, please go ahead and click on that bell icon. That way you're going to be notified every time that I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My tabletop look at the CRKT Pilar. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an incredible rest of your day.